Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, evening, and so on, my friends. My name is Rafila Mediva Daulay, and with NPM 1906378980. And now I will presenting curve fitting with CFD Soft with my group mate. Victor, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Victor Alfred Zaden, NPM 1906379182.
Okay, let's we begin with the presentation. Okay, first, what is curve fitting? Curve fitting is the process of constructing a curve or mathematical function that has the best fit to a series of data points, possibly subject to constraint. Curve fitting can involve either interpolation, where an exact fit to the data is required, or smoothing, in which a smooth function is constructed that approximately fits the data. Second, I will also introduce about the application that we use, and that is CFD-Soft. CFD-Soft is the first CFD software developed from Indonesia. It covers the majority of fluid problems such as simple flow, heat transfer, multi-phase, and so on. With its intuitive GUI and robust software, CFD-Soft is just a perfectly fit for your engineering needs. CFD is capable to handle phenomena such as compressible and incompressible flow, turbulent flow, heat transfer, multi-phase, particle tracking, and so on. CFD Soft also capable in working with a different CFD software. You can easily import your mesh or simulation result from other software to CFD Soft. Okay, let's go to the problem. At the first meeting for Mr. Daiklas, we were given a task about curve fitting. The task is to compare the pressure drop with fluid discharge variation in the gate valve body using CFD soft simulation. There is some step to solve it on CFD soft. First is we need to setting up the gate valve and work through it using the same setup from the previous task. Uh, from what we thought from Mr. Dai, we use a pipe diameter of 3 inches, rock fluid at with air at 200 to 20 Celsius 1 atmosphere, fluid density 1.204 kilogram per cubic meter cubic, and also fluid viscosity with 1.825 uh, times 7 kilogram per meter per second. And also at this presentation, I will present it the specification from the setting up the gut valve. Second is assuming the inlet velocity. At first, I will assume that the inlet velocity equal to 4 meter per second. The velocity of this task is different from is different for every people, but in this case, me and Victor use 4 meter per second as the velocity of the task. Three is run solver. I'm using uh, I'm using a 1000 iteration and 1000 write intervals. Also, I'm using the parallel run mode with a 4 cores so that it can iterate faster. Simple solution converged at the 874 874 iteration. 4 is paraview post-processing. Find this variable using calculator feature in paraview. P static is P times 1.204. Make U is square ux patah points 2 plus uy plus uz, and then p dynamic is 0.5 times 1.024 times make u times 2, and the p total
Okay,
is p static
step
plus
5,
p
we need
dynamic.
to calculate
And
the inlet
now
and outlet.
the presentation will
So
continue
from
with
the
my friend
previous
Victor.
calculation, we obtain the uh, P total of inlet and the outlet. So this is the P total of the inlet is 0.016, etc. The P total of outlet 0.004, etc. And we obtain the area. It's 0.000216, etc. Step 6, we need to find the pressure drop and fluid discharge. Pressure drop is P inlet minus P outlet, and the fluid discharge is area times velocity. For the pressure drop, we obtain 0.01190774, and the fluid discharge or Q is 0.000864.064. Then repeating the steps with varying the inlet velocity, we obtain this variation of pressure drop and fluid discharge. Next, we generate the curve fitted graph using the Python code. We need to plot the debit and pressure drop data to the Python code and make the decimals to times 10 to the power of min 4. Next, so this is the result of the curve fitted graph of debit or fluid discharge versus pressure drop. That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.